Hello and welcome to another video here in the beautiful Dubai. Today I want to talk about how to build your wealth until your 30s, or at least my plan to build my net worth until I'm 30 years old. So I want to start with a story how I started and how it's going and how I'm planning to do it in the near future. So when I was 16, I started making pictures for my Instagram account because I wanted to have better pictures on my Instagram profile. Afterwards, I started doing content for people. I was passionate about cars. I was making car photography and then car videography. Then I started doing the thing that I'm doing also today, and that's shooting music videos. Luckily, I'm not a party guy, so it's very easy for me to invest the money that I make. Basically, anyone knows the rule. You make some money, then you invest them, then hopefully you invest them in the right things and become wealthy. Yes, this is the case, but not for all the people. In my case, I'm lucky that I'm a person that doesn't drink, doesn't smoke. I like playing sports. I like doing healthy stuff that would make me a better future. Now, some of you may say that if I do this, I'm not living through the process. Now, I'm here in Dubai, and for real, I feel like I'm living my best life here. I'm spending some money here, but I think it's a good investment in my overall enjoyment of the life, because this is the place where I want to live as soon as possible. And it pushes me to go further and further in my life and my career. Now, what should you do, or what I think you should do? Because I don't know the answer, I'm only 23, but there are some things that might be good for you as well for me. Even though it might sound very basic, but find a thing that you love doing. In my case, it was videography, and really helped me make more money in this because I can do it with pleasure, with my soul, basically. The thing that I'm doing also today, it's also a part of videography because I'm doing a vlog, which is related to videography, even though I'm filming with my phone on the street. So first thing, find a thing that you love. Find a place that you love, because you can't do the things that you love in the wrong place. I think this is my opinion. For example, now I live in a much smaller city than Dubai, but I still like that city. It's not that bad. It's decent enough for me to live in. Of course, I'm dreaming of something more, but it's a place that kind of resonates with my heart. Then, in what to invest, maybe you don't know how to invest. Okay, that's completely true. I didn't know what to invest, and maybe I don't know now what to invest, but I think I found my things to invest. I'm not going to talk specifically about this because it might be very controversial, and I don't care about this stuff. Everyone says invest in you, invest in your business. But at a point, if you do enough money, you can invest in other things that can produce you money while you sleep. Now I'm thinking that everyone thinks that I'm selling a course here, because everyone thinks when I film here in Dubai that I film for a crypto course or something like this, which is not the case. And the third thing, enjoy the process while you do it. This is what I'm doing today. Even though I have such a small channel, it doesn't matter, because I'm trying my best to do the content. For me, it's kind of hard to make English content because I'm not a native English person, but I'm trying my best. And it's not about the English itself that much, but it's about talking English in front of a camera. If I need to talk English in front of other people, that's not a problem anymore. But in front of a camera and in front of other people, like I'm doing now on the street, is not the easiest thing to do. And that is exactly why I'm doing this today. I want to push myself to be the best version of myself. I think you can't be exceptional if you don't push yourself as much as you can. Today I was at a very nice pool at Atlantis the Royal, and what I want to say with this is that there I edited the vlog for about 1 hour and a half on my other channel, my native language channel, because I want to grow them both together. So when I was about to leave that pool, a guy came to me who was working there and asked me, "Brother, what did you do? You edited like for 1 hour and a half." He was very polite. He didn't ask me why I did it, but he asked me which program do I use, because he's also editor and things like that. And after that, I felt really productive because I went to a beautiful place and also did something productive for myself and for my future self. I didn't have that instant dopamine just with the pool. I did also some work in between, and it was really great. For me, it was the best combo. Yeah, brother. Yeah. Guy told me that I was not centered correctly because I'm filming with my back camera. So this is my opinion about life now at 23 years old. Hopefully you will achieve great things, and hopefully I will also achieve great things. That was the video for today. See you in the next one. But for now, always be thankful of the moment that you live in, like I am now. I want to be grateful, and I am grateful for these moments of my life where I'm trying to build my life. So try to do the same. Also, I forgot one more thing. Money is nothing if you don't have the freedom. It doesn't matter how much money you have, in my opinion, how much wealth you build, if you can't enjoy your life during the process. Like, if you need to stay in an office every single day just to make money, in my opinion, it's worth a lot less than making less money but traveling the world and being free, being a free person, having freedom. I think is very, very important.